Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, remove the 4 back screws with a T8/torque security bit, then separate the halves with a plastic spudger. Once open, make sure to stabilize the shell and work on a clean surface so small parts don't roll away. You're looking for the LB assembly. Note the switch orientation, spring placement, and any debris or broken plastic. If you see corrosion or a crushed contact pad, mark it for attention. This first inspection tells you whether cleaning or part replacement is needed. Once done inspecting, clean the contact surfaces with 90% plus isopropyl on a cotton swab, rubbing gently until residue is gone. This restores conductivity and smooth action. Next, check the little spring. If bent, reshape with needle nose pliers or swap in a replacement. If the plastic actuator or cushion is warped, carefully trim or sand a tiny amount. No aggressive material removal. Make sure you don't get glue or solvent on the electrical contacts. Reseat parts dry to verify movement before closing up. Now you reassemble. Orient the switch and spring exactly as originally positioned, then bring the halves together and finger tighten screws before evenly torquing to avoid stress. Once reassembled, plug the controller in and test LB in a game, and in the controller settings app to confirm full travel and reliable response. If you still see intermittent presses or dead zones, replace the LB switch module or the PCB-mounted contact. One key troubleshooting tip: if cleaning didn't fix it, the mechanical...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.